Welcome to Peterson Restoration's YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be answering, a lot of people have asked, where's the 70 Boss 302 build gone? When am I going to be working on it? So I'm going to answer that question and show you where the car is and some of the parts that I have for it that I've ordered since the last video maybe. But it's gotten pushed back because it's one of my cars that I'm going to do completely and then sell in the end. So it's a big project, so I'm doing the ones that pay first. So I just have a couple to finish up. But to answer the question, I'm going to be back on this car and it's going to be fully on this channel probably around January 1st. So about 2 months from now, expect it to be back, or maybe a little bit sooner. I might have a couple videos on it, but around January 1st is when I'll be back on it. So you can see in the video, if you look, it's above me there. It's on the 4-post lift behind me. Behind the curtain is just chilling, waiting to get done. So I'll take you back here and show you some of the pieces I have for it and the state it's in. If you've seen the last video, I was working on the Mustang's Zephyr kit, just sticking that in. I got the ladder here to go up and just check it out. But I just have it packed full of the parts for it. Sheet metal, just all the little pieces I have stuck on the inside, and I have a bunch of stuff hanging out in the back. The bumpers and bumper pieces. There's actually the tires that I'm going to be using on it. They're Nittos. 18-inch is what I'm planning to go on. I don't like a massive wheel, so I'm not going to do 20s. So they are an 18. I'm shooting for an 18 by 10 on the back, so it doesn't look too crazy. But climbing way in here now, you can see Aeromotive boxes. I do have a complete fuel system, engine, transmission. I'll show you there, sitting in the front. Everything to really mock up the entire drive line. I have the rear housing there, which I welded all the brackets on for the Mustang's Zephyr. That's a Curry 9-inch, just the housing and the axles. And I'll order the center section later. But here's the car just waiting up here. I'll take you around the front. I also have that top shelf up there is quarter panels, fenders, outer rockers, wheel houses. I am mini tubbing the back end. But here's the engine sitting here on the stand, just waiting. The intake's just sitting on it. But that is the intake that I'm planning to go with. That's my idea, bringing the new Boss 302, new school Coyote with an old school actual Boss 302. So yes, I am a little bit crazy that I'm cutting up a Boss 302, but if you've seen the videos, the car was pretty bad to start with, and it didn't come with any of the original pieces, so it's a lot of work to collect all that stuff. But front cross member is welded in place to the torque boxes, and here is T56 just waiting, brand new in the box. Yes, it is slightly killing me. Everything's just sitting here waiting to be built, but I got to do some other cars first. So yeah, it's just waiting to get built. It's got a nice view up here though. Pink car videos will be coming again soon. I'm going to be working on the back end of that. And that's about it. Just a short video. Just wanted to let everyone know I am still building it. There's no reason other than I had other cars to work on, paying ones. This one doesn't pay out until I'm done with it, so that's a long-term project, but I am going to have this car done next year, in that time frame of next year. So like I said, January 1st, around that time is whenever I'm going to really start cranking out videos on this to get it done, get it on the 4 wheels, fit the drive line, customize anything that I want to on the body, and then I'm going to send it off, get painted, get it back, put it together. So all that will be captured on videos, so look forward to that. I'm back on the 67 Shelby clone here this week, so look forward to those videos, and thanks for watching any of the videos that you have on this channel. I appreciate all the support, and we'll see you in the next video.